Did you know there's a puzzle book niche on Amazon KDP that's far less competitive than word search books? While thousands of publishers are fighting over word search and Sudoku books, smart KDP sellers are quietly making sales with number search puzzle books. And the best part? You don't need to design puzzles manually anymore. Today's software, Number Search Generator, creates complete number search puzzle books in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, its best features, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth buying. Plus, if you purchase through my link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package completely free. So let's jump in. Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I review the latest AI software, Amazon KDP tools, Warrior Plus, Launchpad, and JVZOO products to help you decide whether they're actually worth your money before you buy. Today, we're taking a look at Number Search Generator, a brand new tool designed for Amazon KDP publishers who want to create professional number search puzzle books quickly and publish them for potential passive income. But before we dive into the review, I have something special for you. If you decide to purchase Number Search Generator through my link in the description, you'll receive my exclusive bonus package absolutely free. These bonuses are designed to help you grow your KDP business even faster. My exclusive bonuses: bonus number 1, 200 plus profitable KDP niches pack. Bonus number 2, Amazon KDP complete video course. Bonus number 3, copywriting automator. Bonus number 4, list building course. Bonus number 5, Top 20 AI Tools Bundle 2026 Plus. You'll also receive all the vendor bonuses, if available. These bonuses are worth far more than the price of the software and will help you discover profitable niches, publish better books, write compelling sales copy, build an email list, and boost your productivity with powerful AI tools. Now, with that out of the way, let's jump into the review and see whether Number Search Generator is the right tool for your Amazon KDP business. What is Number Search Generator? First of all, what exactly is a number search puzzle? Think of a traditional word search book. Instead of searching for hidden words, readers search for hidden number sequences inside a grid of random digits. It's simple, it's fun, and surprisingly, it's a much less saturated niche compared to word search and Sudoku books on Amazon KDP. That's exactly where Number Search Generator comes in. The software automatically creates professional number search puzzle books that are ready for publishing. Instead of creating every puzzle yourself, the software generates the puzzles, solution pages, and a complete print-ready interior in just a few clicks. Let's see the demo video.
Want to create professional number search puzzle books without spending hours designing them? Meet Number Search Generator, the all-in-one software built to create complete puzzle books in minutes. Choose your grid, numbers, difficulty, theme, and book size, and the software automatically generates verified puzzles and solution keys. Get KDP-ready layouts, multiple trim sizes, professional interiors, and up to 10,000 puzzles per book. And right now, you get 100 book generation credits for just $27. That means you can create a complete book for less than 30 cents per book when using all 100 credits. Or create custom puzzle books for clients and sell your services on platforms like Fiverr. Welcome to Number Search Generator. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a complete number search puzzle book in just a few minutes without designing a single page. To create a new book, simply click New Book in the top right corner. Book Details. First, you'll see the Book Details section. Here, you can enter your title, subtitle, and author name. For this example, let's create a simple number search book for kids. I'll enter the title, add a subtitle, and then enter the author's name. Let me enter the title. We are making 1000 number search puzzles for kids. Okay, now let me enter the subtitle, and then just enter the author name. Next, you can check the trim size. There are 3 sizes. For this example, I'll use 6x9. Next, you'll see the book challenge options. You can choose a preset based on how many numbers you want to include in the book, and all settings will be automatically set up. Or select custom if you want complete control over the settings. For this example, we'll create a custom book. Let's choose 50 puzzles. Number collection. Now we can choose the number collection. There are several options available, you can see. random numbers, repeated digits, binary numbers, hexadecimal, Roman numerals, sequential numbers, years, dates, zip codes, prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, palindrome numbers, multiples, squares, milestone numbers, alternating digits, and custom lists. For this example, let's choose zip codes. The generator automatically adjusts the number format based on the selected collection. Next, let's choose the grid preset. There are several grid sizes available, from smaller grids to larger grids. For this example, we'll select 12 times 12. Then choose how many numbers players need to find in each puzzle. Let's select 20 numbers per puzzle. Next is the difficulty setting. There are 3 options: easy, medium, hard. For this kid's book, we'll select easy. You can also edit the options if you want more control. Next, choose the interior theme. You currently have 3 design options: classic, modern, minimal. For this example, we'll choose modern. Next, choose how many solution grids you want on each solution page. You can select 1 grid or 4 grids per page. We'll choose 4 grids per page to keep the book compact. Finally, you can choose which additional pages to include. You can enable title page, copyright page, how to play, page numbers, solution answer keys. For this book, I'll enable all the options. Now click Generate PDF. And that's it. Number Search Generator now creates the complete book for you. Here you can preview the finished book, including the puzzle pages and the solution pages. Each puzzle includes the number search grid and the numbers the reader needs to find. And at the end of the book, you'll find the solution answer keys, with the hidden numbers clearly marked. The entire book is automatically formatted for you, so you don't have to manually design each page, build the grids, set up numbers or create the solution pages. And that's how easy it is to create a complete number search puzzle book with Number Search Generator. Stop building puzzles manually. Create and publish faster with Number Search Generator. Start creating your books today before the offer ends.
Pricing and value like most Launchpad products? Number Search Generator is available at a special launch price for a limited time. If you're interested, I recommend checking the sales page before the launch discount expires. Always review the pricing, optional upgrades, and refund policy before purchasing. So, is Number Search Generator worth buying? If you're already publishing low-content books or you've been looking for a less competitive KDP niche, then this software offers a fast way to create number search puzzle books without designing everything manually. I especially like that it generates complete interiors, includes solution pages automatically, and provides commercial rights for selling your books. That said, remember that publishing success depends on more than just the software. You'll still need solid covers, keyword research, and consistent publishing. Overall, if number search puzzles fit your KDP strategy, this tool can save you time and help you produce books more efficiently. Exclusive bonuses if you decide to purchase Number Search Generator. Through my link below this video, you'll receive my exclusive bonus package absolutely free. These bonuses will help you grow your online business beyond just Amazon KDP. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest software reviews. If you have any questions about Number Search Generator, leave them in the comments below. And if you want my exclusive bonuses, simply use the first link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.